Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Honda Ridgeline. It's going to have all-wheel drive. And it's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have alloy wheels. And Honda did a great job on this. See, it does have a tow package. But you can swing out the tailgate. The best advantage to that, in my opinion, is that you can be able to open this trunk and lean right up against it. But I can go grab the keys real fast and we can open that up. It's got the keys, so we're going to go ahead and open that up. See, this is the compartment where your spare is. You also have trunk space, which is quite rare in a truck. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close that up, and then it also drops down as a regular tailgate does. Like there. You can put plywood and that type of thing inside. Okay. All right, you see that it does have fabric seats, and it does have a cell phone holder along with a 12-volt power outlet right there. Right, here's your VIN, and I will upload a bunch of still photos as well, as I know we go through this fairly quickly. All right, go ahead and start this up. Okay, and as you look down, you'll see that it has 105,036 miles on this vehicle. Got your stereo controls, cruise controls, ignition. You got your four-wheel lock, trip computer toggle, lights. You have two outlets down here, and then this right here is an additional stowage. You got your cup holders, additional stowage right there as well. Glove compartment. And then you have a 6-disc changer, AM, FM, stereo. And then there's another compartment as well. Then coming on up here, if you look at the rear view mirror and I pop it in reverse, you see there's a backup camera in there, and it does not fluctuate at all to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. Then coming up here, you have your glasses holder and your map reading lights. That about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. As you look right here up front and center, this vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact right here in the front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.